Good evening, YouTube family. Welcome back, guys, to the Lotto Codebreaker YouTube channel. We're going to do the lunch time draw. We're continuing from where we left. We did well with our banker strategy 13, which is coming from the code balls. Right? So continuing with that same strategy, today I didn't open that page. We have got 21. They positioned 21 on lunchtime. We were expecting it to play on T, so it didn't play. Tomorrow lunchtime, let's go again with 21 as our main banker, right? As our main banker. Then another strategy I want to introduce to you guys is, for an example, we have got lunch, we have got tea, we have got lunch, we have got tea, right? We have got a situation whereby we have got, I want to give you an example. After you have created your 901B chart, right? You have arranged your numbers nicely. They are sitting in those 4 columns nicely. On lunch, then they play, for an example, we say 12 and 35. Then they skip out 23. You cancel it on the next draw. It will come on lunch the next day. 23 will play the next day, right? So if you noticed recently, 45 played on lunch. 45 was sandwiched by 41 and 48. That is on the 6th lunchtime, on the 6th, right? 45 was sitting here. This one played on lunch. Then this is lunch, this is tea, didn't come. 45 became a banker for the next draw. Okay, so it has happened on many numbers. I can give you a second number again, which is 30. Okay, 30 was sandwiched by 46 and 49. 30 was sitting here. This is lunch, this is tea, this is lunch, right? 46 and 49 played. Tea time passed, and then 30 came twice consecutive on two draws that were following. 30 came twice. So in that same scenario, we have got 20, we've got 20, 22, we have got 24. Tea time, lunch, tea time, lunch. 31 is sitting here, not yet come, right? So the number that we are expecting tomorrow as well is 31. So we have got 2 big bankers that we have for tomorrow. 21, 31. They are all coming from the same type of positioning. I remember I said to you guys, we have got numbers that are sitting in a position to play, right? When they are sitting in that position, they don't take more than 3-4 draws to play. They might skip a draw and then the next draw they play. Okay, for an example, I gave you 41, 15, and 28. I said use them as pairing numbers with 13 today, right? So we played them on lunch. Then came tea, 15, 28 played on tea. This one is still outstanding. 41 is still outstanding. It's sitting on a position to play that number. We need that number to draw. Okay? So I'm giving you another number, which is 41. So you've got 41, 21, 31. Okay. Which numbers again are sitting in another position to play? The other numbers that are sitting in another position to play, which we can use as bankers, which we can use as pairing numbers. It's 14 and 33. 14 and 33. Okay. So yes, this is exactly what I am offering you guys to say. If you follow the 901B chart and you practice it alone on yourself, and you will be the same like what Nelly is doing. Yes, if you check on the comment section, we have got people that are saying, I have managed to come up with 2 numbers and I've won 2 numbers. I've won 3 lines using the 901B chart. Okay, follow in the comment section. You will find those numbers. Right. We discussed about the numbers that I was calling the DD numbers. Okay, right. We had 22. 22 is gone, right? 22 is gone on tea time. 22 had what's sitting on 2 chords, right? So from the numbers that were sitting on 2 chords, how many numbers are left? We have got 44 left. We have got 22 is still there again. We have got 31. We have got 4 and 8. Those are the numbers that are sitting on the double chord. So these numbers, they are going to be playing one number at a time, subtracting each and every day. So we are happy that 31 is sitting on the same side. Okay. Then the next one, the chord where 47 is sitting at 3, 2, 5. Right. This one you can do what we call a chess. It does not take more than 2, 3 draws sitting in that position. It is going to play very soon. Okay. Which one is the next? The next one that we need to remind each other about? It's the 34, 24, and 19. Yes, and 19. These are sitting on very good chords. 6, 6, 2. This one is 2, 2, 4, and this one is 2, 2, 4. Okay, so don't sleep on those numbers. Don't sleep on those numbers. So what are we saying and what are we going to play for tomorrow? Okay, we keep our 21 on top, and we put our 31 on top, and we put our 41 on top. These are our numbers that we are saying these are our bankers, right? So when we say we've got bankers like this, what is the best way to get the pairing numbers for them, right? To get the pairing numbers for them. The chords that I've given you, I gave you 2 different types of chords. Those 2 different type of chords, they are the best chords that you can use when it comes to pairing, right? Then from the scenario that have happened, there's a scenario that have happened before. It actually happened in the afternoon, right? It happened in the afternoon. 34 played. Okay, let me see. 32 played. So we have got 42. We have got 42, 26. 26 played yesterday. Played on lunch, right? It played on lunch. 15 played on tea time. So meaning they are building up that chord. They are building up that chord. So 26, 28, 42, 15. 42, 26, 28, 15. These numbers as they are moving together. These numbers, they are moving together. When you see one of these numbers drop, you must know that the other one is following, or they are going to play them in twos, right? This is something you must keep in mind and you must have on your side. Okay, then the next one, let me see if I can show you this one quickly before I waste much of your time. Where is it? Okay, on this tea time row from yesterday, it's actually tea time from yesterday. Okay, this tea time, this one, they used the plus or minus 9 plus or minus 11, right? That's what they did. Okay, it actually worked so well that if you say 35 minus 9 is 26, 47 minus 9 is 38, 24 minus 11 is 13, 22 minus 9 is same 13, 18 plus 11 is 29, 18 plus 9 is 27. I hope you see what I'm saying. I hope you can see what I'm saying. This is another way of getting pairing numbers, because it will give you a lot of numbers. Plus or minus 9, plus or minus 11. You have a lot of numbers. But if we have got a banker like 13, and then we bank with 13, we take all those numbers and then we pair with 13. You have how many lines? 4 lines, straight 4 lines that you have. Okay, so this is another way of getting your pairing numbers. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Good luck.